Hi guys, in this easy and quick tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can add LinkedIn link to resume in Canva. This is going to be a quick video, okay? So first thing you need to do, guys, you want to click on you just need to search for LinkedIn, and then you want to go to your LinkedIn account and click on your profile in the top right, and then you want to click on view profile. Okay, so after, guys, you click on view profile, you will see this URL in the top left there. That's your LinkedIn link. Just copy it. Now you want to go back to Canva. Now after that, you want to search for, let's say that you want to search here for resume if you haven't created it already. I already did that, so I'm going to go to this resume here. I'm going to select one of these, and after that, then you can add your profile, your LinkedIn profile link here anywhere you want here. Now you can for example, you can change this, for example, this domain name. You can change it to, for example, LinkedIn, and then you can highlight this text. Okay, highlight it, and then click on three little dots, and then click on link, and then here it says link, enter a link or search. You want to enter the link, Ctrl V or right click and then click on paste. After that, you want to click on done. Okay, so this is going to be now clickable. Now if you send this resume to anyone, they will be able to click on LinkedIn and it will take them directly to your LinkedIn. You can also click here, it says text here, and then you want to click on add a text box, and then you can you can change the position for this text box. For example, you can make it bigger like this, and I'm going to change the position to this place. Okay, so now you want to do the same thing. You just need to highlight this whole text, okay, and then click three little dots, and then scroll down a little bit and click on link, and then you can paste this link here. Click on done, click again on done. That's exactly what you need to do. Now the second thing you need to do, guys, you want to click on share in the top right, and then click on download, and make sure you select your PDF standard, okay, which is the recommended format, okay, best for the commands. Now you want to select here PDF standard for this link to be clickable, okay. Make sure don't select this flatten PDF, don't click on it, okay. Just select here PDF standard and then click on download, and that's exactly, guys, what you need to do. Now after you download it, now just need to click on your file, your PDF, and I'm going to click on it. I'm going to see if it's clickable or not. As you can see, this is the resume. Just click on for example, I'm going to click on LinkedIn. It's going to take me directly to LinkedIn, okay. I added it 2 times, so I'm going to click on it again. As you can see, it took me directly to my LinkedIn. Of course, you can always add, for example, you can change this logo to LinkedIn logo, okay. You can search here for LinkedIn logo, and you can find it here, okay. You can click here on brands, and you can add your brand logos here, and then you can add it here if you want. If you just download LinkedIn PNG, and then you can just select it here if you want to. If you click on elements, for example, you can search here for LinkedIn logo, and you will be able to find LinkedIn logos that you can use, like this one, for example. I'm going to resize. I'm going to make it smaller, and of course this is a black color, and also the background is black, so it's not going to show there, but you get the point. You can choose this one, okay. You can change the white color here. You can also change the yellow color and put it anywhere you want here, okay. So that's exactly, guys, what you need to do. I hope this video, guys, helped you. If it does, leave a like, subscribe to the channel. See you guys next video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment.